3, 2, 1.
Geographically, Azerbaijan is a country situated at the crossroads of Europe and Southwest Asia, between what two major water basins? The answer is C, Caspian Sea and Black Sea. What is the process by which cells grow and divide called? The answer is B, mitosis. What is the term for liquid waste formed by kidneys? The answer is B, urine. What part of the cell is surrounded by a membrane and holds the genetic information for the cell? The answer is B, nucleus. Which is the largest waterfall by volume discharge? The answer is D, Niagara Falls. Which game features a war between orcs and humans? The answer is D, Warcraft Roman 3. What is the part of a plant whose primary role is to collect sunlight and make food by photosynthesis? The answer is D, leaves. In what 1987 horror movie were these lines delivered? I thought I'd gone to the limits. I hadn't. The Cenobites gave me an experience beyond limits, pain and pleasure, indivisible. The answer is B, Hellraiser. Which book is about a girl named Scout in the American South during racial tension? The answer is A, To Kill a Mockingbird. Kilimanjaro's highest peak is named after what explorer? The answer is B, Hans Mayer. Which range includes the highest mountain in Australia? The answer is D, Outback. Who is the inventor of the light bulb? The answer is A, Thomas Edison. Which supply is used for coloring? The answer is B, marker. The Orinoco River is found in which continent? The answer is A, Africa. In what energy industry process are fluids pumped through a borehole, creating fractures in the rock that contains the natural gas? The answer is C, fracking. What is the Greek goddess of spring and fertility? The answer is B, Demeter. Which French city is famous for its Fashion Week? The answer is A, Paris. In what movie did L.T. Caffey ask Carl Jessup, did you order the code red? Did you order the code red? The answer is B, A Few Good Men. X-rays and what other type of electromagnetic wave has the shortest wavelengths and the highest frequencies? The answer is B, gamma rays. Which great singer/songwriter wrote the song Photographs and Memories? The answer is B. Jim Croce. What is the nickname of Sirius Black, whose younger brother Regulus Black appears in a photograph owned by Horace Slughorn in the movie Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince 2009? The answer is D. Padfoot. What does HB stand for on pencils? The answer is D. Soft graphite. What is the name of the family that gets lost in space in this 1998 sci-fi movie by the same name? The answer is A. Robinson. What year did the popular sitcom Who's the Boss leave the airwaves? The answer is D. 1992. What is a loose garment worn over other clothes called? The answer is C. Tunic. What is always hanging by a string but never falls off? The answer is D. Light bulb. What is a group of baby deer called? The answer is B. Pride. What is the currency of Honduras? The answer is D. Lempira. Coleridge, Southey, and Wordsworth all resided in the Lake Country of England near Grasmere. What were these three referred to as? The answer is B. The Lake Poets. Which country does Chancellor Angela Merkel lead? The answer is D. Germany. What television network carried the great sitcom soap that came on the air in 1977? The answer is D. ABC. What is the only fruit that can be pulsed in a food processor like a vegetable? The answer is A. Avocado. Catabolic reactions break down large organic molecules into smaller molecules, releasing the energy contained in what? The answer is D. Chemical bonds. Which vegetable is also called the Mangelwurzel in Germany? The answer is C. Swede. A boiler converts the chemical energy stored in fuel into what type of energy? The answer is C. Thermal energy. What fruit is often associated with the Caribbean? The answer is B. Pineapple. Which piece of furniture has vertical slats and is used for drying clothes indoors? The answer is B. Trestle table. Who hosted the Newlywed Game from 1966-1974? The answer is D. Bob Eubanks. What happens to Oliver and Barbara Rose at the end of the 1989 movie The War of the Roses? The answer is A. Both of them die. Who was the first head of the U.S. Weather Bureau? The answer is C. Cleveland Abe. What kitchen tool has a long, flexible metal tip and a wooden handle? The answer is B. Tongs. Which drug consists of a sediment extracted from the fruit of the squirting cucumber that is native of the Mediterranean region? The answer is A. Elaterium. Fungi are crucial for the production of which of these foods? The answer is C. Bread. What type of relationship occurs between organisms when one member benefits without affecting the other? The answer is B. Commensalism. Which of these elements can form an acidic oxide in water? The answer is C. Calcium. Who famously explicated the science of dropping something? The answer is B. Newton. Which country has the oldest parliamentary democracy? The answer is B. UK. In the USA, Flag Day, which commemorates the adoption of the flag, is observed on what date? The answer is B. June 14. What is the name of the right-angled triangle that has sides 3, 4, and 5? The answer is A. Pythagorean triple. Which musical instrument is used in a symphony orchestra to play flute-like notes?